Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about that how you can set up a BitLocker on Windows 11 computer. It's pretty straightforward process. Let's go ahead. The first step is that you should go to this PC. You will see a number of drives in front of you. You can choose any drive on which you want to set up a BitLocker. I'm selecting the new volume F. Right click on it. You will see there is an option turn BitLocker on. Left click on it. Now it's asking that choose how you want to unlock this drive. I will go for a password option. There is another option, use my smart card to unlock the drive. You can also avail this option. I will be using this option in this tutorial. Make sure that the password should contain upper and lowercase letters, symbols and spaces. Again retype password. Once you enter the password, you should click on next. Now how you want to backup your recovery key, different options are available. I will save it as a PDF. You can use your recovery key in case you forget your password. Once you are done, click on next. Now you have to select that how much of you want your drive to be encrypted. Either it just should be on the used disk space or entire drive. I will go for the used disk space only. Click on next. And next step is that which encryption mode you want to use. There are two options available. New encryption mode, best for fixed drives on this device. I will go for it. Second option is for those drives which can be moved from this device. So we are setting up on the local drive. So the first option is good. Click on next. And are you ready to encrypt this device? Yes, start encrypting. So once the encryption is complete, you have successfully set up the BitLocker on Windows 11 computer. After that, you can restart your PC and you will see it will be password protected. So that's the way, guys. That's all from my side. I hope you understood the process. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.